Hi all, welcome to new video for Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we extend Horilla template into custom template. So to do that, inside the Horilla Form View class, inside the child you simply have to override the template name. Then you have to provide the path to the template. So when you check the custom map structure, there's a template folder. In the earlier videos, we just simply created the templates over here. So now let's create a new template for the form. For example, custom form.html. Okay, here you can provide uh, my form for now. Then yeah, let's map that form over here. Custom form.html. Okay, it's linking. Okay. Now let's check inside the browser. Refresh. Click on the create. Okay, here you can see the template is now our own template, the custom template. So here you can use your like your designs logic inside the custom template. For example, we can simply render form as p. There is no style to it, but when you check it inside, just click on the escape. Okay, create. Okay, form. Oh, sorry, form as p. Little typo over here. Click escape. Okay. Is the form as we render from Horilla. Okay, when you check the modal close button is missing. So you can you will get that close icon from form team generic. Okay, here will be the modal details, header details. Okay, now let's check what is actually happening. Okay, now the header is showing right here. Then okay, yeah, so inside here you have complete right to modify the complete code like with your custom logic. So from the request you will get request dot get sorry, request path will get the path like escape, click create custom shifted request. Okay, wait a second. Let's add the okay, let's add this over here. Then just below we will add the form. Before that, let's provide form. HTML. Let's have some suggestion. Okay, inside the action, you can. I'm not providing right now. I'm just telling. Um, okay, you here you will be the form as p. Here you will be having the submit button. But input type button. Sorry, submit. Okay, the value will be save. Okay, here is the form. Okay, now let's check the requested path. So if you are updating, you have to provide the pk as an argument, your path argument. So when you check the requested path, then you click on create. Here you can see the path is now create. When you check the edit, okay, here you can see the coax pk over here. Okay, our button is over here. Also the ASP button is also available over here. So we can remove the additional uh, submit button that we created. So inside the form instead of the action, we can provide the hx get, sorry, hx post will be will be the request dot path. Target will be, let's wrap it inside, the target will be sorry, not the target, hx target will be um, generic as generic modal body. So it's a container with this information. Yeah, let's see what is let's submit and check what is actually happening. Okay, we can edit it for now, it will be easy. Yeah, here you can see the shift is updated. Let's change some values then check. uh, let's provide, yeah, you can see the values changed. Similarly, you can also create also create form, choose shift, nice shift for every hill, click on the save. Yeah, you can see the record for the every hill. So that's how you extend or override the Horilla custom Horilla template for Horilla Form View. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.